Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check if your WhatsApp is linked to another device. This is important because linked devices can access your messages and conversations, so it's a good idea to review them regularly to keep your account secure. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. If you are using an iPhone, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Then look for the option called Linked Devices and tap on it. If you are using an Android device, go to the Chats tab, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Linked Devices. Here, you will see a list of all the devices currently connected to your WhatsApp account. You can check details like the device type, browser, and the last time it was active. If you see a device that you don't recognize or no longer use, simply tap on it. Then select Log Out and confirm your decision. Once you do that, the device will be removed and will no longer have access to your WhatsApp messages. You can always link a device again in the future if needed, but reviewing this section regularly is a smart way to protect your privacy. And that's it. Now you know how to check if your WhatsApp is linked to another device.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.